How to fix Taobao login problem or account locked. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix Taobao login problem or account locked issue. The first thing you want to do is confirm you're using the right region and number. Now on the login screen, you want to tap on the country code. Now go ahead and select the appropriate country code. After that, you want to retype your phone number or email address. Make sure caps lock and extra spaces are not causing this issue. Now you can also tap on forgot password to reset it via SMS or email. Then try again without switching apps mid-process. If you're still blocked, you want to clear the roadblocks, which means disable any VPN, ad blocker or SMS filter and briefly toggle on the airplane mode to refresh your network. Next, you want to update Taobao app. For that, launch open Play Store, then search Taobao. Now, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After that, you want to force quit the Taobao app, then reopen the app, enter all of your credentials, and try to log back in. If you still face any issue, you simply want to contact the Taobao customer support, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.